This is Canadian Auto Performance's version 2 spoiler, and oh my goodness, this is gonna look insane. And it's not just regular carbon fiber, they call this dry carbon or Prepreg. I think it's called Prepreg. I don't know what it means really, but all I know is that this looks way cooler and way better than your typical carbon fiber. My favorite thing about modifications like this is how easy it is to do. No bolting needed, no drilling, nothing. Oh, look at this. The fitment is perfect. Actually perfect. I mean, that sits flat. Sometimes these warp a little bit, so you get one side down and the other one up. No, this is perfect. It's really not overly aggressive. It's just perfect. Look at this angle. This little spoiler really finished off the rear end. It just overall completed it.